One take Eads. Hey guys, what is going on? We're down here on the E3 2012 show floor, about to play God of War Ascension.
We're finally going to get a chance to look at what Sony has to offer. We spent a lot of time in the West Hall yesterday. We want to check out the big stuff today. We just got done playing a little bit of PlayStation All-Stars. We got to check out God of War. The line for it's pretty long, but it's going to definitely be worth the wait.
Let's go check it out. Oh no! Oh, I wanted to.
Sorry, you gotta get it back on.
I wanted to change to the hammer. That's okay. It's God of War Ascension. You can't see me, but I'm playing. You gotta take my word for it. Eric's on my team. Us and 3 other Spartans, or 2 other Spartans, against 4 other dudes on the other side. And so we're racing to get all these, the favor of the gods, which you get by killing people. You find it in chess. You get it by controlling the points, and just causing general mayhem. And then towards the end of the game, an event is going to trigger where we can try and kill the Cyclops, and that's going to give us a bunch of favor and maybe be a game changer. We'll see. So we're just going through this tutorial. We played it once already, just to kind of get the feel of it. And I was lead scorer. Just want that to be up there. All right, so here we go. So we're the Spartans fighting the Trojans. Big Cyclops guy is. He's there, Polyphemus, and I'm gonna cut his face open with a spear. So those are the points, the little gears. There's blue, there's teleporters, there's panels that'll give you magic, there's weapons around the map, there's traps, there's all sorts of good stuff, and there's chests, which I just saw one. So we're gonna slide down out of our little safe zone here. That guy is not. I'm trying to see which guy Eric is. Oh, Eric is Odysseus. Cut this guy up bad. So there's also special attacks. If I hold that one and I'm gonna hit triangle right now, I got this kind of big old ranged one. I'm gonna get the Spartan kill on him. There it is. Brutal. Got some favor of the gods. Oh! So one thing I've noticed is that when you're getting teamed up, it is tough to fight guys. Oh, this guy thinks he can block my attacks. Block breaker. Yeah, this guy's done. Oh, so I missed the brutal, but that's okay. It seems like you want to stick with your dudes as much as possible, because like there's this. It'll go into the struggle mechanic where whoever mashes the most circles kind of gets a hit out of it. And I don't think I've lost one yet, so I don't know what's been going on there. Ooh. So he just special attacked me. I'm gonna use my my escape there. It's gonna heal me a bit. I don't know what just happened. I got countered somehow. I've never seen that. Oh, I'm dead. It's kind of like God of War. Is it if you time the block, it'll initiate that counter?
If you do L1 and R1, you can parry.
Okay. All right. So that's what.
L1 and hit R1.
Stun. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna grab this chest, get some points. Scores are on the top. We're crushing these guys right now. 2100 to 590. I mean, it looks like it could be a real short game. Oh, see, I got 2 guys on me, so I might be in some trouble. I gotta get out of here. Oh, I wasted it. Yeah. So you can choose your gear, you can choose your equipment. I'm using the sword, some heavy armor. You can. I don't know if you can do it in this, but in the full game, you can choose your kind of religious affiliation. I can be working with, I think I'm with Ares as my god right now, and he affects my magic, which is up in this ledge here. If I can get out of, it's gonna, oh no! So apparently that's a grapple point, which I just missed. We got the points controlled, so, oh, I see that they're trying to take one. So this is a hammer. I'm gonna grab this here, and I'm gonna throw it at this guy. and the Cyclops is kind of hitting the map, but he'll knock us up and do all sorts of mayhem. The PR guy told me to watch out, but I didn't listen. It feels good. Like, the combat feels like God of War. I mean, you're knocking guys up. You're doing air combos. I mean, they give you a one-time blocker you can break out of. I just fell off the edge, I think. It feels good. It feels like God of War, but and it feels like I'm playing with other guys, but it doesn't feel like they are super overpowered compared to me. I'm gonna go get this magic. So I think I got magic now. I haven't used it yet, so I want to see. There's... Oh! I had to control it. Whoa! So that basically turned me into a big comet, and I had to control the AoE where I landed. Oh, my heal's still on cooldown. Oh, so here comes the spear. We're at the point thing where the spear comes down. We got to race to this. Whoever gets out of the ground first is gonna kill the guy and get lots of points. So I mean, I'm actually gonna try and trap this guy. Oh, he's too clever. Oh, you can sprint, which is I just learned right now. That guy can't figure out how to do that. Oh, I'm going for the spear. Oh, they're all up here. All right, I'm gonna drop some magic on these fools. There we go. So our team got the spear. We're gonna kill the guy, and we're gonna get a bunch of points. Cut his face open. How many points is the Cyclops worth?
1,000 points.
1,000 points.
Yeah, so you can bring a team that's further back in points. You can bring them back into the game. Right. So it doesn't always end the game necessarily.
It's at a time that it triggers, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So we were so far ahead, we couldn't have lost that one.
And what we're planning for the game is whoever got the best score, he gets to do that final stab. Okay. So it's not always the same person. So it just kind of gives you.
So you go, God of War Ascension here on the E3 2012 show floor.